Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a review for UNice hair 7x5 by knots wig, Yaki straight texture with 150% density. Right now I'm just showing you guys what comes in the package for this wig. So we have 2 wig caps, we got some nails, and here is the wig in this cute satin bag, and it also comes with an adjustable strap and wig tape, which I won't be using, but I would recommend to use it if you want to do a true glueless install. So I'm just running my fingers through this hair. As you guys can see, it's really easy for me to run my fingers through it. It's super soft. Y'all see the shake, y'all see the glow, period. And here is the lace up close. Y'all see it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and also pre-cut lace. So an extremely easy install, right? Y'all see? Okay, period. So just giving it a final look in depth. All right, boom. So this is the inside of the wig as well. It comes with some adjustable straps, and we're also going to add that strap inside the wig for a nice comfortable fit. And right now I just have on my bald cap to put makeup on it for a seamless install. I'm not doing a bald cap method today because it's truly unnecessary for a easy install like this. So y'all see now I have the wig on. I'm like, okay, period. Like, this lace is actually extremely blended. The lace was perfectly cut. Like, you can hardly tell that I didn't do this work and magic by myself. Like, shout out to UNice hair for this. So I'm actually going to go in and pluck a little bit. Even though this is pre-plucked, I did want to go in and make it look a little bit more mimicked to my actual hairline. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and lightly pluck. You can go in heavier if you want an extremely more natural look, but you can get away with just plucking lightly in some areas, or not plucking it at all, because it looked fine either way. You know, it's all about your preference. So yeah, I'm just going in, plucking. I'm holding the lace down too so the wig doesn't move while it's on my head. But yeah. I did add makeup to this lace. As y'all can see, it looks so blended. I was honestly in shock that all I had to do was place my fingers on it to make it look like it was already seamlessly attached to my hairline and growing out of my scalp. But I'm just going in and plucking a tad bit more. Now I'm going to clip my hair back and make this part more straight. It wasn't the straightest. It wasn't too much tweaking that I had to do, but I did want to make it more prominent and straight according to my face and my head. And now I'm just taking my hot comb to put this parting in place to make everything look seamless and get rid of the flyaways that came about once I did adjust the parting. I also felt it was necessary to pluck a little bit of hair out of the new part, because it was just some pieces that was in the part, if you know what I'm saying, like pieces of the hair that was sitting on top of the part. So that's what I did, and y'all see this looks so seamless. I'm about to run this comb through this hairline. As y'all can see, look at this lace. You can hardly tell that I did not melt this. You can get away with wearing this wig just like this. I prefer to have it melted down just a little bit, so I am going to melt it down with some adhesive spray. So right now I'm just cleaning off my skin of the makeup that I did put onto this lace before I go in with that adhesive spray. I did do 2 layers of this. I'm making sure to blow dry it until it is tacky, and I'm just going to pull down this lace and place it where I do have this adhesive spray. It's very easy to tell where I had it, so I'm just going to place it exactly where that is and melt that down. To make sure that the lace isn't sitting up and it's not rigid, I'm taking the end of this comb and just pushing down this lace and melting it down further. So I'm just gliding the comb on top of this lace to make sure it's seamlessly melted down. I'm just going to do this until I feel like it's melted down all the way. And before I go in with my band, I am going to clean off the skin with some zipper alcohol and add makeup more to this lace. This is my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RD15. So I'm just tapping this onto the lace and using a good amount, honestly, because it was a little ashy, but the lace is so HD that all you have to do is add makeup to it and boom, it's seamless. I am going in and plucking some more, just a little bit more, and then I'm going to go in with some more adhesive spray on top of this lace to make sure it is seamlessly melted. I keep using the word seamless because that's just what it gives. I mean, y'all seen the beginning of the video, like this lace was melted, and even still, you don't have to do this process. You can easily just throw this wig on, add some makeup to it, and boom, be good to go. You also don't necessarily have to do this step either, but I wanted this wig to sit very flat on my head the way that I wanted to style it, but again, it's definitely not necessary. So I'm just going in with sections and with my hot comb and my wax stick to make this top of this hair flat. But this is a Yaki texture, so yeah, emphasis on you don't have to do it. I just chose to do it, and you can also choose to do it as well if you want that type of look. So yeah, I'm just going in section by section with my hot comb, and I'm going to do that until I get to the top, and also repeat it on the other side. I do also want to emphasize how much parting space this wig has, and it's 7x5 lace, so if you do want to adjust this to a side part, you definitely can. I'm going through now to press out this hair with my titanium pro flat iron, and yeah, I'm just going in with sections, not too big of sections, but enough space to thoroughly get through this hair. And I'm also using Icy Fantasia heat protectant spray. I would have used Bio Silk, but I was kind of running out, so I just decided to use it in the last steps, which I will see later. But yeah, I'm just moving through this hair and flat ironing it until it is pressed out to my liking. Also, this is such a wear and go wig. You really don't even have to flat iron this hair either. Y'all seen how it looked in the beginning. This is just an extra step that I wanted to take. And it didn't take long at all either. So yeah, I'm just going through with the spray, combing it through, and then pressing out this hair. Also, never be afraid to be generous with your heat protectant spray when you're passing through with a flat iron, because it really helps with the gloss and the shine. And this hair was already really shiny already. Like, y'all see how good this looks, y'all. Like, ooh, so freaking pretty. It's giving silk press literally on the first and good day. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm going in now that that's all done with some scissors to just create some cute face framing layers. I did go in over and over again with this. I didn't just go in with one pass of cutting. I cut it at least like 4 times to get it to the perfect framing that I wanted. But yeah, I'm just going in a diagonal motion with these sharp scissors, and yeah, until it's to my desired outcome. Now I am going to bump this hair where I did do the layers, just to add a little va-va-voom to it. That's the look I was going for. So yeah, I'm gonna do that all throughout the front of this hair, and also do it until I feel like it's to how I want it to be. But yeah, it was looking really good, you guys. Like 10 out of 10 wig, I kid you not. So this is what all of the hair looks like. I did cut off some inches on the bottom just to give it a nice blunt cut, and I did want to define this part a little bit, so I'm just going to drag this foundation or concealer, it's concealer, a lighter shade, throughout this part and take it to the front of my head so it can look like it's growing out my scalp for real. Lastly, I am taking my bio silk over top of this hair and throughout it just to add some more shine, and yeah, basically just shine through this hair in softness. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, but this is the end of this video. Y'all make sure to check out this hair, okay, from UNice. Oh, I am adding this clips too, just to make sure that the part stays where I want it to. But yeah, this is the 7x5 150% density Yaki straight bye knots wig, okay. Very easy to install, extremely cute, the perfect density. It feels like this is my actual hair, okay. Don't sleep on Yaki textured. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.